Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Street Food Cookbook is probably one of the most exciting culinary adventures you can embark on, transporting you to bustling street corners around the world with its vibrant collection of recipes and stories. From the sizzling woks of Asia to the sizzling grills of Latin America, this cookbook captures the essence of street food culture, offering a diverse range of flavors and techniques that will tantalize your taste buds and inspire your inner chef. Prepare to be amazed by the simplicity and deliciousness of these authentic recipes, each one a testament to the culinary artistry found on the streets. Number 5. My Street Food Kitchen. Get ready to explore a world of delicious street food, all from the comfort of your own kitchen. It's quick, it's easy, and it's bursting with flavor. Each recipe is designed for speed and simplicity. You'll be enjoying authentic tastes in minutes, without the fuss. We've captured the vibrant essence of street food from around the globe. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds with exciting new dishes. Embark on a culinary journey, discovering the unique flavors of different cultures. It's a delicious adventure for your palate. With clear instructions and readily available ingredients, even novice cooks can achieve restaurant-quality results. It's that easy. It's a great way to spend quality time with loved ones while creating memorable meals together. Get cooking. What we like. It's perfect for busy weeknights when you crave diverse tastes. The simple instructions make it ideal for beginner cooks. If you want quick, delicious meals from around the world, this is your cookbook. What people say. The flavors and textures from these recipes are so amazing. Everything looks beyond amazing. The me-so-hungry section had me literally drooling. So far they cooked a few recipes and love them all. The recipes are easy to prepare and have fresh ingredients. I have prepared the skirt steak with a coffee rub and the shrimp with chorizo. Both were amazing, rave reviews in my house. I am a big fan of Joyce's other books as well. They are so easy to work with. Step-by-step planning and suggestions for entire meals are always included. Number 4. Italian Street Food Recipes. Get ready to explore the vibrant street food scene of Italy. This book is your passport to authentic flavors and recipes from Italy's hidden culinary gems. Discover the secrets of Italy's bars and laneways, where culinary traditions come alive. It's a journey through Italy's rich food culture. Experience the taste of Italy like never before. These recipes capture the essence of Italian street food, bringing the vibrant flavors of Italy to your kitchen. It's simple to recreate these delicious dishes. Each recipe is easy to follow, perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. Embark on a culinary adventure with this book. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a journey through the heart of Italy's culinary landscape. Uncover the hidden culinary gems of Italy. This book reveals the secrets of Italy's most beloved street food, offering a unique and authentic culinary experience. What we like. This book offers a unique culinary journey through Italy. It unveils the secrets of regional street food, often missed by tourists. If you're passionate about Italian cuisine and seeking authentic recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. Generous in photos and techniques. Try the focaccia. Real fast and easy, from Spontino regional desserts frittole Triestine Sardinian ricotta cakes puffed cheese bites Fiadoni Abruzzese. Fishes are not neglected, Venetian sweet and sour sardines. All recipes make for a fabulous excursion in Italian street food. The recipes are mostly not too complicated and absolutely suitable for parties and brunches. Mini pizzas, delicious pastries, sweet and savory and much more. Number 3. Street Fighter Cookbook. Get ready to fight your hunger. This cookbook brings you the best street food recipes inspired by the iconic Street Fighter universe. It features a global collection of recipes, just like the game's diverse cast of characters. Prepare to embark on a culinary adventure. Each dish captures the essence of authentic street food from various countries. Taste the thrill of victory with every bite. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, it's easy to follow the instructions and create delicious meals. Anyone can become a culinary champion. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a journey into the world of Street Fighter and delicious food. Take your cooking skills to the next level. It's the ideal companion for your next Street Fighter game night. Impress your friends with your culinary creations. What we like. It's a fun and engaging cookbook with a unique theme. The recipes are inspired by the popular game, offering a fresh take on street food. If you're a fan of the game and enjoy creative cooking, this cookbook is a must-have. What people say. The recipes themselves are always good. I particularly liked the mapo tofu in this one. The Japanese milk bread also turned out really well. First, it starts with a glossary of some of the more exotic spices and ingredients, like Italian mortadella and Japanese nori. Many of the entries explain where you can find the ingredient and how to store it. After that, you're treated to a region-by-region collection of international foods, with an emphasis on street food, of course. Everything from a simple milkshake to Brazilian feijoada. The recipes all feature pictures, with a little info box containing prep and cooking time estimates, serving sizes, dietary notes, and a rough guess as to the difficulty of the dish. When I first flipped through and just read the ingredients lists for a few recipes, I was already impressed just because most things are made from scratch and they seem authentic. For example, for the kare pan, Japanese curry roux is made from scratch in the recipe. Not many people bother making it from scratch these days. Number 2. Southeast Asian street food. Embark on a culinary adventure. Experience the vibrant flavors of Thailand's bustling street food scene. It's a delicious journey for your taste buds. Discover the unique tastes of Cambodia. Savor the exotic spices and fresh ingredients. It's an unforgettable culinary experience. Explore the rich tapestry of Malaysian cuisine. Indulge in the diverse and exciting street food. It's a feast for the senses. Our journey takes us beyond Thailand, Cambodia, and Malaysia. We explore the best street food from other Southeast Asian countries. Prepare for a delicious adventure. It's a symphony of flavors. From sweet treats to savory delights and spicy sensations, it's a culinary adventure you won't forget. Enjoy the ride. What we like. This cookbook is a culinary adventure through Southeast Asia. It explores the diverse flavors of Thailand, Cambodia, and Malaysia. If you love bold and exciting tastes, this cookbook will tantalize your taste buds. What people say. The book is great. It's high quality, has an intro from Matt Preston, some notes from Sarah, beautiful photography, and easy to understand recipes. A very refreshing read for modern quick Asian dishes that can be affected on a daily basis. Fairly small, concise, clearly written recipes. You can mix and match the recipes and recreate dishes yourself. Amazing book. Very easy to make and the pictures are awesome. Number 1. Food Truck Road Trip Cookbook. Get ready for a delicious journey. This cookbook takes you on a road trip across the country, sampling the best street food from coast to coast. It's packed with more than 100 recipes, each one a culinary masterpiece from the best food trucks in America. Prepare to be amazed. Discover the secrets behind the most popular street food dishes. It's easy to recreate these amazing flavors in your own kitchen. This cookbook captures the vibrant tastes and unique styles of street food vendors across the nation. You'll find something to satisfy every craving. Each recipe tells a story, transporting you to a different city and a unique culinary experience. It's more than just a cookbook, it's an adventure. Even if you're a beginner in the kitchen, you'll find these recipes easy to follow and fun to make. Get ready to impress your friends and family. What we like. It's a comprehensive collection of recipes from the best street food vendors across America. With over 100 recipes, there's something for everyone. If you're looking for a diverse range of American street food, this is the ultimate guide. What people say. Some of the tantalizing tidbits features in this Kindle book. Docks of the Bay, Zach Silverman, Oakland, California, including a recipe for a fried chicken sandwich with fennel slaw. Big D's Grub Truck, Dennis Cum, New York, and his recipe for fried chicken. A macaroni and cheese and a pork burger with bacon tomato jam recipe from Timothy Mark Abel and Caleb Patrick Orth of Los Angeles, California, inspired by Flat Iron Truck. A Rockin' Hero burger from Brett Eanes of Mixed Up Food Truck. Barbecue pulled tacos from Hill Country Barbecue Truck, Redwood City, California. Pie Pushers Food Truck, Frenchie's Food Truck. The Egg Carton Food Truck. The Urban Oven Truck based out of Los Angeles, California, and a recipe for bacon and sweet onion pizza and more. Great stories about all the food trucks featured in this book, and really like that the selection of food is so diverse, from a great pulled pork sandwich to vegetarian and everything in between. And it all looks delicious. Beautiful pictures and clear recipes and directions, great cookbook. Excellent food truck road trip book with recipes coming from popular food trucks across the United States and Canada. I recognize several food trucks in the United States, and yes, these treats are good. The stories and why these recipes exist, they have found a place in our memories, hearts, and stomachs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.